throw just a few pucks and talk a little bit about some strategy shots. I'm using what they call a thumb shot, but trying if I can stick that weight, it's what they call sticking it. If I hit it perfect, I would stop my red weight right in front of it. Once you get one weight like that and your opponent's made a mistake like that, smartest next move for me to do is try to get a weight down there, place it in front of that and block it. That makes it a little harder for him to knock me off. You can try and come in and attack maybe from the left-hand side like this. And miss there. I actually come down here, throw another puck from the left-hand side. I've done a pretty good job of protecting myself there, unless this other guy is good enough to come in here and hit me correctly. Again, what I'm going to do now, try and block one more time. A little further. I'll make it a little hard for the next person to come down, and if you can do it right. You know, I didn't get both those off, so the way that game scored there, folks, there's only one winner. The blue puck gets 3 points.